thank you so much for our acoustic duo. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga DI as well as our very gracious visitors here, Sir JC and Ma'am Mel. Ayan. And now, as we officially start our program or our birthday celebration with Ma'am Aurora, of course, nakita na natin siya kanina, but to officially welcome her, let's all welcome our birthday celebrator, Ma'am Aurora Cooks. Ayan, make some noise for our birthday celebrator, Apo.
Music, please.
Wondering for clothes to chip boots on her way and passes her long blonde hair and then she has me leaving all right, and I suggest you look wonderful, wonderful tonight. We go to the park and everyone turns to see this beautiful Aurora dancing with his handsome little hawk. And there she is us. Do you feel alright, everybody? And you said yes. We feel wonderful, wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I've seen the love in your eyes and the wonder of it all. Steady tears don't feel alive. I love you.
Kiss! Kiss!
It's time to head back home. Not yet, no.
Alright, there you have it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po natin ulit ang ating Mr. and Mrs. Cooks. And at this point in time, as we begin this program or this birthday celebration of Ma'am Au, may I call on the special person in her life.